Interested in one day becoming a millionaire, even a billionaire? Then stay tuned as we're about to go over the steps you need to follow to achieve these goals. Once you understand the steps, you'll realize these goals are more attainable than you once thought. Welcome to Millennial University, where I provide priceless knowledge on things they don't teach you in college for entrepreneurs like myself. If you like the content provided, consider subscribing for more, and a like is always appreciated, as well as any constructive criticism down in the comments. The concept of investing scares a lot of people. Many people don't know where to start, what to invest in, when to invest, and all of the other factors that go into making a smart investment. I was once in the same boat, but I did my research and spent many hours studying the topics of investments. My goal in today's video is to simplify what I've learned so that you don't have to go through what I had to go through. Instead, you can just stay to the end of the video and learn what investments are smart in today's economy and go out and take action based off what we discussed. Let's begin. Number 1 is stocks. Here you can see a stock platform called TD Ameritrade. This is one of the platforms that I use. Although I don't trade on TD Ameritrade, I use their scanning platform called thinkorswim. They have one of the best on the market right now in my opinion. So if you guys want to do that, you don't have to put any money into TD Ameritrade. You can just make an account and use their platform. Stock can be incredibly profitable, but also incredibly non-profitable. However, the world of stocks has a place for everyone. If you are a beginner just looking to make some simple investments, then investing in blue chip companies that are very likely to increase in value is a great way to earn more money. For the intermediate investor, swing trading is when you invest in a company that you think will increase in value typically in the next 2 days to 2 weeks. You buy the stock, then when it goes up, you sell off. Pretty simple, right? Well, not exactly. Predicting the price of a stock is incredibly difficult, and even the veterans in the stock world still make mistakes when trading. But if you stick to it and do your research, you can make a pretty penny swing trading stocks. Speaking of a pretty penny, day trading is the next step up in the world of stocks. Day traders buy and sell stocks typically in the same day and almost never hold a stock overnight. Many day traders make their large gains through penny stocks, which are stocks that are below $1. You can sometimes see a 300% increase in a stock in just one day, but the hard part is identifying that a stock is going to have large gains before that happens. Up to the challenge? I recommend taking some kind of course before you get started in day trading. If you guys want to learn more about stocks, subscribe for more, as I will have more videos coming out that teaches you guys how to trade stocks. Number 2 is cryptocurrencies. I'm sure everyone has heard of Bitcoin, and if you haven't, then you are missing the opportunity of a lifetime. Bitcoin is a worldwide cryptocurrency and digital payment system since the start of 2017. The value of Bitcoin has more than quadrupled. That means if you had $1,000 invested then, you would have over $4,000 now. Not too bad, right? Well, it doesn't stop there. There are more cryptocurrencies starting to make a name for themselves, similar to Bitcoin. Ethereum and Litecoin are amongst the most popular, and less popular currencies called altcoins are also providing people with huge gains and tons of potential for profit. An example is called Regal Coin. I will cover Regal Coin in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But if you want to check out Regal Coin right now, click the link in the description to invest today. Anyways, you can invest in cryptocurrencies simply in an application on your phone. The app that I use is called Coinbase. Don't miss out on this opportunity, as many people have predicted Bitcoin to reach a value of $100,000 by 2020. Some people even predict a price point in the millions in the 10 years or so. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, but you don't want to miss out on an opportunity like that. Number 3 is binary options. Binary options are similar to stocks, but somewhat simplified. Basically, you pick a stock, currency pair, commodity, etc., and choose whether the price will go up or down. Once you choose up or down, then choose the time period for which you think it will either go up or down. If the price is higher than it was when you began the trade, you picked higher, then you earn a percentage of what you chose to risk. Usually the percentages are around 60% to 90%. This means if you said gold will go up in 30 minutes and you risk $1,000 at a 60% return, you receive $1,600 back. If, however, the price is lower in 30 minutes, you lose $1,000 and don't receive anything. Simple concept, but very risky if you approach binary options without a strategy. Subscribe to my channel for more, as I will be releasing more videos teaching you guys how to trade binary options. Number 4 is peer-to-peer lending. This is a safer investment with minimal risk, but with all investments comes some amount of risk. Basically, with peer-to-peer lending, you are the bank. You lend out your money to other people and you receive payments with added interest. You can do this through a website that makes it not only easier, but safer. Lending Club allows you to lend your money by dispersing it to multiple people instead of just one. This way, your risk is minimized. You can lend up to $40,000 in loans, and they also have other loans that you can lend with. Number 5 is REITs, or a real estate investment trust. A real estate investment trust is a place where anyone with $1,000 or more can put their money into real estate. The way it works is that a larger scale business that owns real estate allows small scale to large scale investors put their money into real estate without the risk of owning property. The benefit of these investment trusts is that you can get paid out monthly returns. So for example, the opportunity for a $1,000 investment nets 8% every month. That's $80 back in your pocket every month that you hold with this investment. Definitely one of the best routes of investment when you have a smaller amount of money and you aren't interested in very much risk. Number 6 is reselling. Reselling is pretty simple. You buy items in bulk at a low cost to you and sell them at a high cost to the customer. The problem with reselling is finding a product in high demand with low competition. However, if there are things that are in demand maybe at your school, try to make a profit off of your classmates. You could sell all sorts of things at school. As long as you know you can sell the items, reselling can be a reliable way to make profit off of your money. The final way I think is a safe and profitable investment is automated investment apps. An app I use called Acorns takes the money you put into it and invests the money, which generally yields a 6% return. This is a very low risk investment, but if you just want to invest your money and forget about it, this is perfect for you. Acorns also has a feature you can enable where when you spend money with your debit card, every purchase rounds up to the nearest dollar and takes the rest of the money and invests it, basically investing an amount of change, less than $1, every time that you make a purchase. Alright guys, that's going to be all. If you